Just done this dent on this door. It was really bad. You can just see on the line here, there's a couple of little nicks where the impact from the door, if you look at the before and after on my Fixadent page, you'll see there's some little nicks there. Normally I would attempt to get this bottom line better, but as you can see here, I'm on a street, no power, no heat, no glue, nothing. So I'm going to show you some of the tools. Crease lines like this on an old Ford Galaxy are extremely stiff and extremely hard, and they need a lot of force. The trick is here is with the tips, because you've got to bear in mind I've got no heat, so I couldn't heat it up, I couldn't soften it, I couldn't glue it. I literally had to push it out. So obviously you would start with your standard rubber tip with an A36 cap, and then I use this one from Dent Tools, which is a Mushroom 12 metal. It's a metal Mushroom 12, and you can actually use that side there as well as using the rounded bit. And then when you're finishing, this is another Dent tool. So this is a Bullet 32, which is a flat tip. Again, it's metal, and then just interchange them. So you start with the A36 rubber, and then you move to the Mushroom to push some of the dent out. The trick is you've got to attack it from all directions. So you've got to go down this way, you've got to go right-handed and then left-handed. And then in order to get to it, I opened the door right up, so it was right out here, had the window down, and go behind the door and then put the tool down like you would normally go down. So you're basically working the other side of the door and you're looking down on the door. So that's the trick. Oversize your tools, massive oversized screw-on tip tools. With regard to these finishing tools, that was used because I needed to get my head close to the dent. I needed my head here, and the only way to do that, unless you've got 96-foot arms, is to use a small tool. So that's a small PBR finesse talon. This talon was actually used to go up and underneath the strut at the top. There was a little bit, and then this is the big right angle, slightly right angle finishing tool. That's really good for at the end when you're just trying to finish off and you want to get a sharp angle with your head. So yeah, oversize your tools, use metal tips, rubber tips start with, metal tips, never plastic tips, and work it from all angles. Remember, you've got to work it right-handed, you've got to work it left-handed, you've got to work it from the other side of the door, looking over the door, work it from as many angles as you can.